Filipinos, our roots come from the Orient, sons of our forefathers, shaped by the tide of destiny from far ancient lands. Resided in this land, they learned to love, faith, rest, and live abundantly. Had their own culture, government, and God. Had unity, peace, and tranquility. Spoke their own language. It was then, they say, at the period of colonialism.
Suddenly, from the west, French foreigners came.
I was distressed. He was coerced.
We were abused.
The natives were rather illiterate. Freedom of press. Well possessed. Barangay abolished. Records burned. Alibata forbidden. Everything colonized. Government, religion, customs, and beliefs. Natives were randomly tried. Their language, Castilian.